With the prime objective to bridge the gap between the rural milk producers and the urban consumers of milk and milk products, a 2 lakh litres per day capacity large dairy plant was constructed by Messrs Pragatis Milk Products Private Limited at New Industrial Estate, Jagatpur of Cuttack district in Odisha state. The project, with capital investment outlay of Rs 20.52 crores, got sanctioned by the Ministry of Food Processing Government of India for eligible assistance under Food Processing and Preservation Capacities of Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampad Yojana scheme. The plant, with floor area of 7,068.55 square meter, was erected over a plot of 1.5 acres within a record span of 16 months, including equipment erection, testing, commissioning and trial run. The dairy, with 4-storied building for milk reception, processing, packaging, dispatch, stores and quality control section, is annexed with separate utility building for services including electricity, steam generation, refrigeration and engineering maintenance section. The security cabin, fire protection hydrant room, toilets, staff canteen, two-wheeler shed and coal shed are maintained separately, and the surrounding is well maintained with flowering garden. The daily effluent coming out of the plant is transferred to a effluent treatment plant separately maintained at a different location to avoid pollution and ensure hygienic surrounding. It is projected to collect milk from about 50,000 rural farmer families of 1,000 villages in 100 panchayats through the 5 milk chilling plants and carry by insulated road milk tankers to this dairy plant. Initial quality of milk from each milk can will be checked by organoleptic test, followed by checking for fat, SNF, acidity and adulterants at milk chilling plant level. Sample of milk will be collected from each tanker shells immediately after arrival at the dairy. Tankers will be placed for unloading of milk only after getting certified by the Quality Control Laboratory for meeting the minimum acceptance standard as per FSSAI norm. Received milk will be filtered and chilled further immediately during unloading through 2 sets of plate milk chillers of 20,000 litres capacity and will be stored in 30,000 litres capacity milk silos. It is standardized by reconstituting partial skimming, then homogenized and pasteurized and transferred to pasteurized milk silos of 30,000 litres capacity. 2 sets of Tetra Pak pasteurizer and homogenizer having 10 kiloliters per hour capacity each, along with 1 Gia Westphalia cream separator, have been installed for this purpose. The processed milk is transferred to polypacking section through 2 sets of online filters and deep chillers of 20,000 litres per hour capacity. Packed milk will be sent through double-layer crate conveyors to the cold store, which can store up to 90,000 litres of packed milk. The dispatch section with attached office takes care of delivery and loading of milk to earmarked refrigerated or insulated vehicles for different markets. The milk reception and processing machineries, tanks, silos and pipelines are connected to dedicated automatic Tetra Pak CIP system for thorough internal cleaning with hot water, lye and nitric acid at the end of each batch. Dairy is having provision for manufacturing different cultured products including plain curd, sweet curd, buttermilk, lassi in different pack size, both in pouches and cups at the second floor of the building. For desired quantity of products, milk is taken to the specific tanks of 10,000 liters capacity. After reconstitution and standardization, it is pasteurized and homogenized by 5000 LPH Tetra Pak pasteurizer and homogenizer. For sweet curd and lassi, this milk is mixed with sugar through blender. The process of culture addition and inoculation of this mix is done in earmarked tanks. The mix is then taken for packing either in poly pouch or cups. All types of curd are taken for incubation for desired period and then shifted to blast freezer for immediate cooling prior to storing at product cold room. Lassi and buttermilk are shifted to cold store directly immediately after packing. This is brought down to dispatch dock through 2 lifts earmarked for the purpose. For thorough cleaning and sanitization of all equipments and machineries, tanks and pipelines of the product section, a dedicated Tetra Pak automatic CIP system has been erected. In the 3rd floor of the plant, the Quality Assurance Laboratory is established with required machineries for testing the nutritional and bacteriological quality, detect adulterants, and conducting complete tests recommended under Food Safety Act. A separate conference hall is also developed in the same floor for regular training and orientation of the workers on skill development, safety, and quality improvement. First floor of the building is dedicated for use as main store of raw materials and packaging materials. In addition, the section for ghee manufacturing is equipped with ghee boiling vats, ghee clarifier, storage tanks, and packing table. A separate section is earmarked for manufacturing butter during the surplus season. A butter churn of 3000 liters capacity with cream pasteurizer, 2 cream tanks, 1 buttermilk tank, 1 pasteurized water tank, trolley, and melting vat are housed in this section, maintaining clear space for hygiene. This section is also connected to a butter packing section, cold store, and deep freeze for its exclusive use. To meet the chilled water and cold store refrigeration load, the section is equipped with 5 ammonia compressors of suitable capacity. 2 chilled water tanks of 50,000 liters capacity with 2 ammonia receivers, 2 atmospheric condensers are also installed. 2 sets of air compressors are also installed at first floor of the utility building. This building also includes steam generation section with 2 boilers of 20,000 kg per hour each. 2 diesel-operated electric power generators are also installed to meet the requirement during power failure. The plant is having its own electric step-down transformer of 950 kVA along with VCB, MCB and all required distribution panels, which takes power from Central Electricity Supply Utility. The first floor of refrigeration section covers engineering workshop and maintenance store. The staff canteen is located at ground floor for convenience of workers. The plant is having separate toilet, rest-cum-change room with sufficient number of lockers for lady and gents workers. Every individual entering into the plant is supposed to pass through the hygiene room, maintaining protocol laid down by FSSI. This project will cover 400 direct employment generation, including milk procurement, processing, marketing, quality assurance, maintenance, stores, logistics, accounts and administration, watch and ward, etc. Besides, it is going to give indirect employment to 5,000 sellers, distributors, milk collection agents, transporters, besides farmer families. Pragati Milk is now ready to bring a revolution in dairy.